Another great strategy for dividing larger numbers is called partial quotients. So if we take 36 divided by 4, I'm going to rewrite it and I'm going to put it in a house, or just write it like this. So 36 divided by 4. And then I'm going to take a line and I'm going to draw it down like this, because this is going to separate my work from my answers. So when I do this, I'm not thinking of it traditionally. I'm thinking of any multiplication facts that I know with 4 that can help me get close to 36. So I'm thinking, well, I know that 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to stick a 5 over here. So I would then multiply 4 times 5 is 20. And I'm going to subtract that from 36. So what I'm left with is 6 and 1. So I have 16 left. Well, I know that 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to put a 4 down here. So 4 times 4 is 16. I subtract it and I get to 0. So to get my official answer, what I have to do is take my two parts that I chunked my number into and I'm going to add them together. So since 5 plus 4 is 9, we know that 36 divided by 4 is 9. So this works because it's like taking a big array that we know, okay, this is 36 and I know one of my sides is 4. So I said, oh, if I choose this and this is 5, 4 times 5 is 20, and I know that, oh, this other part would be 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. You add them together and you get your 36, and now we know the other two sides of, or the other side of our array. So when we use partial quotients, we also might get a remainder, and this is how that would work. So if I have 25 divided by 4, I would do it the exact same way. I would take 25 divided by 4. And I'm going to use chunks of numbers that I know. And it could be any chunks of numbers. It doesn't have to be the facts that I'm using that I know. It could be the facts that you or your child know to help you. So I'm going to say, ooh, 4 times 2. I know that 4 times 2 is 8. So when I subtract that, I get 17. So I have more numbers that I can do. So I'm going to do it again. I know 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to subtract, and that gets me 9. And then I'm going to do it again because I know 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, and I get 1. Now, there's nothing that I can multiply 4 by to get to 1 down here. So what I need to do is I need to add my 3 numbers over here. So that's 6. And then whatever is left over here at the bottom becomes the remainder. So the answer to 25 divided by 4 is 6. Remainder